Hey everyone, Lee here. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to split a 3D model into multiple parts using Bambu Studio. It's actually much simpler than it might seem at first, so just follow along and you'll get the hang of it quickly. To start, open up Bambu Studio. Once you're in, import the model you want to work with and make sure it's ready to go. For this example, I'm using a small character model. Next, select your model so it's highlighted. After that, head up to the top menu and find the Cut tool. It looks like two blocks with a divided line between them. Click on that to begin. At this point, you'll see a preview of where your software suggests making the cut. Don't worry if it's not where you want it. That's totally normal. You can adjust it easily. Use the coloured axis handle to move the cut line around your model. Just click and drag along the axis to reposition it. For example, if your cut is going through an area you don't want, like part of the arm or face, you can slide it up or down until it's in a better spot. You can also rotate or angle the cut if needed, giving you the full control over how the model is divided. Once you're happy with the cut position, it's a good idea to add connectors so the pieces can be reassembled later. Look for the option to add connectors, then choose a style. There are several options available like plugs, snaps or prism shapes. Personally, I usually go with a prism style connector, often a square or even a hexagon shape. These tend to hold well and help prevent the parts from rotating when assembled, but the best choice really depends on your specific model. Click on the model where you want the connectors to go, then adjust its size and depth. Larger connectors are generally stronger, but you'll want to balance that with how it fits inside your model. Position it carefully. Placing it near the centre is often a good starting point. Once everything looks right, confirm the connectors. After that, go ahead and apply the cut. The model will split into separate parts but still appear aligned in place. From here, if your goal is to print large objects in sections, you can move the pieces onto different build plates. Just add a new plate and drag that part over as needed. Then slice your model and you're ready to print. If you preview the slice model, you'll be able to see exactly how the connectors line up between the parts. And that's it. That's how you split a model into multiple pieces in Bambu Studio. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I do my best to respond and help. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.